Do you find that certain blushes don't look right on your skin tone? They can perhaps look too warm, too cool, or too neutral. Here's how to alter the undertone of a blush. So here I'm using a liquid blush, but this will also work on cream blushes. And you will also need primary colors or foundation adjusters in yellow, red, and blue for this. So here I'm sharing a blue tone blush with you all. This is the Danessa Myricks Vision Flush in the shade Grape. Now to make the shade warmer, I would be adding some red to it. And to make this blush more neutral in tone, I'm going to be adding a color that's complementary. So in this case, it's going to be yellow, since that's opposite purple. On the other hand, if the blush is warm toned and you want to make it more muted, you can add olive adjuster to it. It really tones down the brightness of the shade. And to make it more cool toned, you can add some blue to it. So as you can see, you can create multiple shades of blush from just one shade. So get playing with your blushes using some color theory.